Hi everyone, I'm Tom. I hope you're all well and that everything is all right. Today I'm going to tell you how you can learn English. Listen carefully. Come on, follow me. First of all, you have to be organized, folks. If your house is organized, your mind is organized too. If you're just starting to learn English, don't worry, you can do it. All you need is discipline and consistency. Guys, just dedicate 1 hour a day, 5 days a week for 6 months. Watch how you learn a new language. Learning English is really easy, guys. You just need to dedicate time to it and be disciplined. If you already know some English and just want to improve it, determine what you need to focus on. Listening is very simple. Watch an hour of videos every day. Maybe a movie, maybe a documentary, a cartoon, or a YouTube video. Just watch. Don't do anything else. Writing might be a little more difficult. For that, write for an hour every day. It doesn't matter what it's about, just write. Then, let the AI check what you've written. Reading is simple, folks. Don't be afraid of it. Read whether you understand it or not. Just read. There are free storybooks on Must Read. It only takes an hour. I've talked too much, guys. I think I need a nice cup of coffee. Where were we? Yes, you'll either find a friend to talk to or you'll talk to yourself every day. Don't overthink it, it's very easy. Learning English or knowing any language is really easy, guys. Don't be afraid of new things, just go for it. What's the biggest problem you've encountered while learning English? Share it with me in the comments and let's figure out together how we can solve it. Everyone knows English now, folks. Just think how many people know. You can learn too. Look, the sun is shining. Maybe this is a sign to think positively. This coffee is truly wonderful. Guys, you should make yourselves a cup of coffee like this too. Let's go to the study room. Learning English is nothing compared to what people are learning thanks to the internet and computers. You can too. Let's make a plan together. By the way, friends, don't forget to subscribe to my Easy English YouTube channel. On this channel, I will be sharing great educational videos and motivational and guiding videos you need to learn English. Now we're going to make a plan. You'll study English for 1 hour, 5 days a week. Promise? Just 6 months. Give yourself 6 months, guys. Try it for a week as a test. Let's see if you can keep it up. I'm sure you can, because it's very easy. Trust me, it's very easy. Excuse me, guys, I'm really hungry for making lesson plans for you all. Let me have a little snack. Do you guys like salad? I love it. If you eat good things, if you do good things, you do good things. Your brain works the way you eat. If you eat healthy, you have so many things into your life, like learning English, for example. Hey, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't fool me. Please pause the video now and subscribe to the channel. And like my video too, guys. I love you. I'm really full now. What do we do? Let's repeat what I told you. 6 days a week, 1 hour a day. Monday listening, Tuesday writing, Wednesday reading, Thursday speaking, Friday listening, Saturday writing. You'll only study for 1 hour. 1 hour of listening practice a day won't take anything away from your life. Your greatest help is the internet and my Easy English YouTube channel. I know you can do this. I believe in you, because it's just 1 hour a day. See, you all know what I know. Once you learn English, you'll see it's not so difficult. But you mustn't forget this. What did I say at the beginning of the video? Discipline and consistency. These two things are very important. Never forget them. Even watching the videos on my channel just once a day will help improve your English. Okay guys, don't forget to study every day. You can learn English easily. Take care. See you in the next video.